Excuse me, ma'am. Quick question for you. Is this your G-Wagon?
It is.
And what do you do for a living out in Las Vegas to be able to afford a G-Wagon?
I have an Airbnb business.
Now, how long have you been a business owner for?
About 3 years.
And over these last 3 years, what's been the most amount of money that you've ever made in a single year?
From my businesses last year, we made almost $7 million.
$7 million. Have you ever been broke before?
I have, yes.
You have?
I definitely have. When I used to be a nanny, COVID hit, and so all my jobs are like, oh, we don't really need you anymore. But at the time, like, I had bills to pay, I had all of these expenses, and I was down like my last $20 bill. But, you just have to figure it out.
How old are you now?
21.
And how old were you when you became a millionaire?
20.
20 years old.
Yeah.
You became a millionaire at 20.
Yeah.
How did that happen? Seriously, that's incredible.
Yeah, thank you so much. It was actually unreal. Still, like today, I don't know if I fully processed it, but we found success with Airbnb very quickly. And when we saw that it was successful, for us, it was just like, it's a numbers game. The more we scale, the more money we'll make.
Do you come from money?
No, not at all.
Now, for somebody who may be broke right now, for somebody at rock bottom, what is an actionable step that they can take to get really serious about becoming successful and financially free like yourself?
I think a lot of people also think that they need a ton of cash to start businesses, but like even for me, before I started Airbnb, I didn't know that business credit was a thing, and so I would say a lot of people are scared, like when they make a little bit of money, they want to keep the money, but normally you have to actually reinvest it back into the business. I took my money and I rent an Airbnb, and I have to pay the landlord every month, but because I do that, guests pay me more than what I'm paying the landlord. If you find something that you can scale and continue scaling, the amount of money you can make is unlimited.
You have amazing advice. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate that. Thank you.